Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little while since I've filmed anything, but I've been in the process of moving my beauty room, hair shop kind of area from a smaller place to a larger place. So I thought I would do a beauty room tour with you. If you are interested in watching that, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is kind of what it looks like when you walk into it. I have my toolbox here with my scissors and clippers and various hair products. This is kind of like all hair stuff in there, and then I keep my samples of stuff under there. I have my stylist chair, some shoes, my light, and then I have, this is kind of where I would do hair, in front of the hair chair. Makes sense, right? Hi. Over here, I have some skulls and some lipstick stuff, my Too Faced palettes. I'm still in the process of setting up here. I've got all of my Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes because I love them. And all of my Juvia's Place palettes are up there. This Luxie brush set I got in a boxy charm, and I don't know, I just like to display it with the box. I think it's cute. And other stuff up there. Over here I've got all of my color tubes and bleaches and whatnot for hair. And then I have my Alex drawers here, which you guys have seen with my Shop My Stashes. I'll show you quickly though. I won't go over that in this one. Foundations, blushes and bronzers, highlighters. I have too many highlighters. Palettes and more palettes. And then various lip products. Over here I've got my Sephora boxes that I keep extra stuff in and giveaway stuff in. And then over here I have, this is kind of more of like my makeup mirror. My brother made me that mirror with the gargoyle in my name. So cute. And yeah, I'm still in the process. I still have more things to hang up and get ready. Whoops. But it's coming along, and yeah, that is what I have been up to. I think my hand's in the way, I'm not sure. I can't see now. That's what I've been up to. I'm going to stop rambling and be done with this quick little video. I just wanted to update you guys on why I haven't been around as much. So it's almost to the point where I want it. I still have a few more touches that I want to do before I'm comfortable filming in it again, but that will be very soon. And I have been continuously posting on Instagram, so if you want to follow me there, you can follow me at minsbeauty86. All right, hope you guys all have a fabulous day.